Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to customize a scroll bar to make beautiful scroll on your website. So, if you wanted to make your website more beautiful and more user interactive, then you can continue this tutorial. So, let's get started. First of all, I am going to do this on my website e-commerce thesis to customize my scroll bar. This is the scroll bar that I wanted to change or make it more beautiful. Okay, so to do this, I am going to access my file manager by FileZilla. I am going to open style.css file from my theme folder. To do this, first I am going to open public HTML, then WP content, as I am going to do this in the WordPress website. Then going to click on the themes folder to open it. Now going to open my themes, and on the themes I will find my style.css file that I need to open on the code editor like subline. So I am going to select style.css and click on the view and edit. So here is my style.css file, and going to my website e-commerce thesis, and I have published an article, customize scroll bar to make beautiful scroll on your website. So I am going to click on it. Here is the code that I need to add my style.css file. So I am going to copy this code and add this code right here. Save this file, save, confirm it on the FileZilla. Just waiting for confirmation. Okay, my file transfer finished. Now I am going to reload my browser. Wow, I see my scroll bar has changed right now. So if we want to make it more beautiful or more stylish, then you have to add others code that you will find this code on my website. I will share this website link in the video description. For example, here is the different pieces. These are the pseudo element of scroll bar, and you can understand very easily from this screenshot pseudo element works for which one. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.